can't stand another sound. These walls are closing in. My head won't shut up now. Don't know where to begin. The static's in my brain, it's drilling through my veins. Make it stop, make it end. Everything's too fucking loud. Everything's too fucking loud. Everything's too fucking loud. A TV screaming pain. My phone won't let me rest.